Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is Chukal, and here we talk about making money online, crypto, and digital finance. If you want to turn your phone or laptop into a money-making machine, then hit that subscribe button and let's get you growing. Now, I've been seeing a lot of buzz about AI lately, ChatGPT, Midjourney, all that. And I gotta say, it's changing the game for making money online. We're talking passive income streams you can build in a weekend, guys. So today, I'm breaking down 7 digital products you can create with AI right now to start generating cash flow. We're talking ebooks, templates, courses, the whole 9 yards. Get ready to take some notes. First up, we've got ebooks. Now, ebooks have always been a popular way to make passive income, but AI makes it ridiculously easy. Think about it. You've got ChatGPT that can literally write an entire ebook for you on any topic you can imagine. Business, fitness, finance, mindset, you name it. Just give it a good prompt like, how to start a side hustle in 2025 or crypto basics for beginners, and watch it go to work. Once you've got your text, head over to Canva. They've got AI-powered design tools that'll help you create a professional-looking ebook layout in minutes. Drag, drop, boom, you're done. Now, where do you sell this masterpiece? Gumroad, Payhip, Amazon, KDP, even WhatsApp groups if you're feeling spicy. And here's a pro tip: add some extra value to your ebook, like a bonus checklist or workbook, to justify a higher price point. People love that extra value. Next up, we're diving into the world of Notion templates. Notion is blowing up right now. People are using it for productivity, goal setting, business tracking, you name it. And guess what? You can create and sell templates that help people organize their lives. Again, ChatGPT is your best friend here. Use it to outline what goes into a killer template, like a content creator planner or a crypto portfolio tracker. Once you've got the structure down, build it out in Notion. Now, where to sell these bad boys? Gumroad and Etsy are great options, but don't sleep on the Notion marketplace itself. And here's a pro tip: record a quick demo of your template in action and post it on YouTube or TikTok. That's how you drive traffic and rake in those sales. Alright, let's talk about AI art and printables. Now, I know what you're thinking. Steven, I'm not an artist. Listen, neither am I. That's the beauty of AI. Tools like Midjourney and Canva AI let you create stunning images, art, and printables without any artistic ability whatsoever. We're talking wall art, affirmation cards, kids charts. The possibilities are endless. And people are making bank selling this stuff on Etsy. Seriously, hundreds of dollars per week. Just give the AI a prompt, let it work its magic, and then polish up the results in Canva. Pro tip: combine your AI-generated images with quotes, themes like zodiac signs or self-care, or even trending niches like Ramadan or birthdays. That's how you tap into specific audiences and maximize your profits. Moving on to mini online courses. Now, full-blown online courses can take a lot of time and effort, but mini courses, those are your golden ticket. We're talking 20 to 30-minute courses that are hyper-focused on solving a specific problem. ChatGPT can help you outline your course in a flash. Let's say you want to teach people how to sell digital products with zero budget. Feed that to ChatGPT and get your outline. Then, use a tool like OBS Studio or Loom to record yourself explaining the content or sharing slides. You can edit your videos with CapCut or just upload them as is to platforms like Teachable, Gumroad, or Thinkific. And here's the kicker: mini courses are hot right now because they're quick to consume. You can easily sell them for $10 to $50 a pop. Pro tip: offer the first module for free on YouTube to drive traffic to your paid course. Next up, let's talk about digital planners and journals. These are evergreen products that sell like crazy year-round. And guess what? You can create them in Canva using their AI-powered tools and templates. We're talking daily planners, gratitude journals, finance trackers, you name it. The key here is to pick a niche and design specifically for them. Students, businesswomen, moms, crypto traders, the list goes on. Figure out their pain points and create a planner or journal that solves them. And don't forget about the power of AI here. You can use ChatGPT to generate daily prompts or content ideas for your journals. Sell your creations on Etsy, Payhip, Amazon, KDP. The world is your oyster. Alright, let's talk about swipe files and social media templates. Now, a swipe file is basically a collection of ready-made marketing materials that businesses can use to save time and get better results. Think email marketing copy, social media post ideas, ad headlines, that kind of thing. And guess what? ChatGPT can generate this stuff for you in seconds. Just tell it the niche, fitness, crypto, small business, whatever, and watch it churn out high-converting copy. Organize your swipe file in a Google Doc or Canva, package it up nicely, and sell it on Gumroad or directly to businesses. Trust me, businesses are always looking for ways to save time and get a leg up on the competition. Swipe files are a goldmine. Finally, let's talk about toolkits and resource packs. This is where you take things to the next level by bundling 2 or 3 of your digital products together. Think of it as a starter pack for a specific problem. For example, you could create a beginner creator toolkit that includes a planner, a checklist, and a tutorial video. Or a crypto investor starter pack with a portfolio tracker, a glossary of terms, and a guide to different investment strategies. Use AI to help you create the content, organize it in a visually appealing way using Canva, and brand it like a boss. Because you're offering more value, you can charge more for these bundles. We're talking $30 to $50 or even more. There you have it. 7 powerful digital products you can start creating right now with AI. Most of these can be done in a weekend, and they can generate passive income for months to come. Imagine waking up to sales notifications while you're still sipping your coffee. That's the power of AI and digital products. Now tell me in the comments, which one will you start with first? I'll be making detailed tutorials for each of these soon, so hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. And as always, keep hustling, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.